Hello everyone and welcome to this session on research and assessment in education. Research plays a fundamental role in advancing education while assessment ensures that learning objectives are met effectively. However, conducting thorough research and designing meaningful assessments can be time consuming and complex. Today, we will explore how generative AI can assist in these critical tasks. AI tools are transforming the way educators and researchers formulate research questions, analyze data, design assessment, and evaluate student performance. With AI as an assistant, research and assessment become more efficient, accurate, and insightful. AI powered tools can streamline educational research and assessment by helping educators generate research topics, summarize academic papers, create quizzes, and analyze student performance data. Imagine you are conducting a study on the impact of technology on student engagement. Instead of manually drafting research questions, AI can assist by providing a structured research outline, a comprehensive literature review, well defined research questions, and data analysis techniques. For example, a simple prompt like generate 5 research questions on the impact of technology on student engagement in online learning environments will yield multiple well-structured research questions, saving researchers significant time and effort. Let us give a quick overview of what we will discuss in this session. By the end of this session, you will understand how AI can assist in research and assessment tasks in education, learn how to craft effective prompts to generate research materials and assessment tools, gain hands-on experience in refining AI-generated research content, explore ethical considerations and best practices for using AI in educational research. With practical applications and real-world examples, we will see how AI can become a powerful research and assessment partner. Suppose you need to generate research questions for a study on the impact of social media on student performance. So, for this purpose, you can write a prompt in ChatGPT like generate 10 research questions on the impact of social media on student academic performance. Focusing on both positive and negative effects. Let us see the output. So here you can see that here are 10 research questions on the impact of social media on student academic performance covering both positive and negative effects. Positive effects: how does the use of social media for academic discussions and collaboration impact students' learning outcomes? What role does social media play in enhancing students' access to educational resources and online learning opportunities? How do social media study group influence students' motivation and engagement in academic activities? To what extent does following educational pages, influencers, and online courses on social media contribute to students' academic success? Number 5, how does the integration of social media in classroom instruction affect students' participation and comprehension of academic content? Since in the prompt we mentioned that we need the negative effects also, so these are some questions. How does excessive social media usage impact students' attention span and ability to focus on academic tasks? What is the relationship between social media addiction and academic performance among university students? How does the use of social media for entertainment and non-academic purposes affect students' study habits and time management? To what extent does cyberbullying on social media impact students' mental health and consequently their academic performance? Number 10, actually, this is number 5. So, since the serial number is starting from 1 to 10, so here it is starting from 6 to 10. So, how does late night social media usage influence students' sleep patterns and cognitive performance in academic setting? Now, let us give the same prompt in another AI tool. Let us put in, I will copy this one. I will open DeepSeek. So here I will paste the prompt, same prompt, and let's see the output. So different types of research questions are generated by DeepSeek. So in this way, you can use AI tools for the generation of research questions on a particular topic. Let us consider another example. Suppose you need to draft a literature review on a particular topic, for example, like online learning. So, for that, we can write a prompt like draft a literature review on the effectiveness of online learning, including key studies, findings, and gaps in the literature. Now let us see the output. ChatGPT is generating the literature review. Here you can see the output. So let us quickly review the output. Literature review, the effectiveness of online learning. Introduction is given, key studies and findings. Then these are some references, engagement and motivation, accessibility and equity issues, instructor presence and pedagogical approaches, then gaps in the literature, then conclusion, and these are some references. So suppose we need more literature, then uh, you can refine the prompt like need more. So here ChatGPT or other AI tools will recognize the context that you need more literature on this particular topic, and another draft of the literature review will be generated by ChatGPT or other AI tools. So here you can see that it is rewriting the content. Suppose you need more literature review on this particular topic. So here you can simply refine the prompt like more. Again, ChatGPT understood will understand the context and it will generate the literature review on this particular topic online learning with, with more content. So in this way, you can use various AI tools for uh, generating literature review on a particular topic. Suppose you need to create an assessment for a 10th grade history class on the Industrial Revolution. So for that purpose, we can write a prompt like create a 15 question assessment for a 10th grade history class on the Industrial Revolution, including suppose multiple choice, short answer, and essay questions. Let us see the output. So here is a 15 assessment. So here is a 15 question assessment for a 10th grade history class on the Industrial Revolution. It includes multiple choice, short answer, and essay questions to assess different level of understanding. So Industrial Revolution assessment, section 1, multiple choice, 5 questions, 2 points each. So ChatGPT is assuming that it will consider 5 questions and each question will carry 2 points. So you can modify also. So you can see here, since in the prompt we mentioned that we need short answer questions also, so it is in section 2, short answer, 5 questions, 4 points each. Some questions are given which is related to Industrial Revolution. And third question is essay questions, because we mentioned that for a particular topic like Industrial Revolution, we need multiple choice question, then suppose short answer questions, and we need essay questions also. So essay questions, 5 questions are already given. Suppose you need another draft of the questions. So here you can click here and try again. Then ChatGPT or any other AI tools will generate some other different types of sets of questions. So different types of questions are generated related to the topic Industrial Revolution. Okay, so here it is mentioned total point something. Again, if you need, you can try in this way. So since we are showing how it is generating using ChatGPT, you can try with other AI tools like uh, Gemini or Grok or DeepSeek, etc. Let us now consider another example. Suppose you need to draft a research proposal on a particular topic, for example, like the impact of technology on student engagement. So we can write a prompt like draft a research proposal on the impact of technology on student engagement, including an introduction, literature review, research questions, methodology, and expected outcomes. So here in the research proposal, we mentioned that we need the introduction part, a literature review part, some research questions, the methodology, and expected outcomes. So let us now review the draft of the research proposal. ChatGPT is generating a draft of the research proposal on that particular topic. So here you can see title The Impact of Technology on Student Engagement, a comprehensive study. Here you can see that introduction is given, literature review is given, research question is given, methodology is given, and expected outcomes and conclusion with references are given. Suppose we need more literature review in this draft of the proposal. Here we can refine the prompt, like we can write like need more literature review. ChatGPT will understand the context and it will rewrite the proposal. So here you can see the literature review. Previously, small amount of literature was provided in the draft. Now it includes some extra literature. Suppose here the research question is given only 4, you need suppose 10. So you can give another prompt, need 10 research question so let us see the output. Or simply you can write in point number 3 need 10 research question. Sorry, in point number 3 need uh, 10 numbers of research questions. So then also it will understand the context. You can see here. So 10 research questions is provided by ChatGPT. Methodology is given, expected outcome is also given, and a conclusion is given. So in this way, you can take the help of AI tools to prepare a draft of a research proposal on a particular topic, which can be modified as per your requirements. Now let us consider another example. Suppose you need to design a survey to collect data on student attitudes towards online learning. In this case, we can write a prompt like design a survey to collect data on student attitudes towards online learning, including questions on satisfaction, challenges, and suggestions for improvement. Let us quickly review the generated output. So here you can see that survey on student attitudes towards online learning. Section 1, demographic information. Some questions are provided. Satisfaction with online learning, challenges in online learning, and then suggestions for improvement. So this is one draft. You can now regenerate the draft again. Suppose I will edit it and I will again give the prompt. So a new set of question is provided by ChatGPT. Let us copy the prompt we provided in ChatGPT and let us now see how DeepSeek generates the survey. Here you can see a different draft of survey on this particular topic. So it is generated by DeepSeek, another AI tool. Similarly, you can try with Google Gemini or Grok or any other AI tools for your purpose. While AI is a powerful tool, it must be used responsibly. Here are some key ethical guidelines. Review AI generated content to ensure accuracy and appropriateness. Avoid inputting sensitive research data into AI tools to protect privacy. Encourage critical thinking by using AI as a support tool rather than replacement for educators and researchers. Maintain transparency about AI generated content in academic research. By following these best practices, we can harness the power of AI while maintaining research integrity. Today, we explored the impact of generative AI on research and assessment in education. Here are the key takeaways. AI can simplify research by generating literature reviews, research questions, and data analysis techniques. AI-driven assessment tools enhance efficiency by generating quizzes, grading rubrics, and performance analytics. Crafting precise prompts ensures better AI-generated outputs. And ethical considerations are essential for responsible AI use in research and assessment. As we conclude, remember that AI is not a replacement for human expertise, it's an enhancer. It allows educators and researchers to focus on higher level analytic and strategic tasks while automating repetitive ones. Let's embrace AI responsibly and use it to advance educational research and assessment methodologies. Thank you for joining today's session.